Hello, savvy investors. We're thrilled to welcome you back for another enlightening discussion. Today's episode is particularly special as we delve into an exciting topic that has been piquing interest: side investments for passive income. The blend of passive income with side investments creates a unique financial freedom discussion that not many channels are covering. If you're keen on strategies that grow your wealth without active involvement in daily operations, then you're in the right place. Before we jump in, remember this: don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips. We're dedicated to keeping you ahead in the game of investing and finance. We're eager to guide you through these complex yet rewarding financial strategies. So, buckle up for a captivating journey into the world of side investments for passive income. Let's get started. In the world of finance, there are countless opportunities to generate passive income. This vast and intricate world can often seem complex and daunting, but it doesn't have to be so. By understanding the fundamental principles and mechanisms involved, it's possible to navigate this intricate labyrinth with confidence and ease. The key to success in this realm lies in finding the right side investments that align with your personal financial goals. Understanding what these goals are is the first step. Are you looking to supplement your save for a major purchase, build an emergency fund, or secure your retirement? Once you've identified your goals, you can begin to choose the best investment opportunities that will serve those purposes. The world of finance is overflowing with different types of investments. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, each offers its own unique benefits and risks. But the real gem amidst all these options is the prospect of generating passive income. Passive income, as the name suggests, is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's essentially money that works for you, rather than you having to work for it. This can provide a significant boost to your financial health and stability, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly matter to you. Today, we'll explore some tried and true methods to help you unlock that steady stream of passive income. We'll delve into various investment strategies, highlighting their potential returns and the level of risk involved. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to confidently take the first steps towards your financial independence. First up, we have real estate, a classic choice for passive income. An old favorite, it has long been considered a cornerstone of personal wealth creation. The possibilities within this sector are multifold. You can consider rental properties, for instance. These can be residential houses, commercial properties, or even vacation homes that you rent out for short. The rent you collect becomes a steady source of income. Alternatively, there's real estate crowdfunding, a contemporary strategy that has gained traction in recent years. Crowdfunding platforms bring together individual investors who pool their resources to finance a property deal. This way, you can get a piece of the real estate pie without requiring a massive upfront investment. Then we have REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in a REIT, you're essentially buying shares in a property or a portfolio of properties and earning income from the rents collected. Each of these options has its unique advantages, challenges, and risks. It's imperative that you understand your own financial goals and risk tolerance, choosing an avenue. You also need to grasp the dynamics of the local property market, the housing laws in your area, interest rates, and the tax implications of your investments. In summary, real estate covers a broad spectrum of opportunities for generating passive income. It can indeed be a reliable source of cash flow. Just be sure to do your research and understand the market before diving in. All right, we're halfway through our guide on unlocking the secrets of passive income. We trust that you've been appreciating the knowledge and insights shared thus far. If you happen to find value in our content, it's crucial to remember to hit that like button. This small action not only supports our work, but also brings more finance tips and income-generating ideas to people like you. Subscribing to our channel is equally important. By doing so, you're taking one important step towards securing your own financial future. You'll receive timely updates on new content and be part of a supportive community focused on financial growth and freedom. So far, we've tackled vast and intriguing field of real estate. We've delved into the intricacies of buying, selling, and renting, as well as the ins and outs of property investments. We hope that you're feeling a bit more confident about venturing into this profitable area. However, we're far from done. We're about to dive deep into the thrilling world of dividend-paying stocks. This could well be the game changer in your journey to financial independence. We'll be discussing everything you need to know, from finding the right stocks to understanding dividend payouts. In addition to this, we have several more exciting passive income opportunities lined up for you. Trust us, you're not going to want to miss these. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Now let's get back to it. Let's talk about the stock market, a fascinating world of opportunities and risks. This is a realm where fortunes can be made overnight or crumble just as swiftly. Yet, amidst unpredictability, there is a strategy that has stood the test of time: investing in dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks of companies that choose to distribute a portion of their profits back to the shareholders in the form of dividends. The beauty of this lies in the potential to generate passive income. Imagine the possibility of earning without having to actively work for it. This is the allure of dividends. But how does it work? It's simple. As a shareholder, you own a part of the company. So when the company makes a profit, you get a share of it. That's your dividend. However, not all companies pay dividends, only those with a strategy of returning part of their earnings to investors. These are often large, established companies with stable and predictable profits, which makes them a safer bet. Yet, investing is not without risks. To manage these effectively, it is recommended to diversify your investments' mix of stocks from different sectors, regions, and risk levels. This is called creating a diversified portfolio. It spreads the risk and can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. Essentially, it's a way to safeguard your investments. Consider creating a diversified portfolio to manage risks effectively. Another interesting option is peer-to-peer lending. This method of investment is fascinating, often abbreviated as P2P lending. This innovative financial concept has arisen within the last decade, altering personal finance. Peer-to-peer lending occurs on platforms designed to connect lenders with potential like Prosper and Lending Club. These platforms facilitate lending without traditional banks, democratizing the lending process and operating completely online. Borrowers are meticulously vetted, with only those meeting stringent criteria allowed to post loan requests. The main attraction of peer-to-peer lending is the potential for higher returns compared to traditional banks. Lenders can set their interest rates, often yielding higher returns. Investments can start small, a few $100s, making it accessible for novices and professionals alike. Flexibility is another advantage. Lenders choose who to lend to, how much, and at what interest rate. However, caution is necessary as risks range from loan defaults to platform instability. In the grand scheme of things, peer-to-peer lending is a fascinating new frontier in the world of personal finance. Keep in mind that there are risks involved, so only invest what you can afford to lose. For those with a creative flair, consider creating and selling digital products. It's not about doing the usual, it's about working inventively, thinking out of the box, and turning those ideas into reality. This could include a broad range of products that exist online. These are digital products you can sell to a global audience. Think ebooks, for instance. These are not just books, they are a way to pass on valuable knowledge, experiences, or even stories that you've written. You can share your expertise in a field, your life lessons, your unique perspective on various matters, or your imaginative narratives with the world. Then there are online courses. With the increasing trend of online learning, you can create courses on subjects you're passionate about or topics you're skilled in. It could be anything from cooking to coding. Your course could be the next big thing someone needs to excel in their career or hobby, or even stock photos. If you have a knack for photography, this is a great way to monetize your talent. Your photos could be the perfect fit for someone's blog, website, or advertising campaign. Imagine your pictures on a billboard or a popular blog. It's an artist's dream come true. What's more, once the initial work is done, these products can generate income without much ongoing effort on your part. Digital products are a lucrative avenue for creative individuals like you. They are a chance to earn, learn, and grow. As we wrap up, remember that building a diversified portfolio of side investments is a key to minimizing risks. It's not just about putting all your eggs in one basket, but about spreading your investments wisely across different sectors. The world of side investments is vast and versatile, offering an immense array of opportunities for everyone. There is real estate, an attractive option known for its stability and tangibility. It's not just about buying and selling properties. You can also earn through rental income or property appreciation. Stocks are another avenue. They tend to be volatile, but can offer high returns if you do your homework right and invest in the right companies. Peer-to-peer lending is another innovative form of side investment. It's an online platform where you lend money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest. It's a win-win situation where you earn interest and the borrower gets the needed funds. And then there is the digital world, which offers numerous options like creating digital products or courses. With the growing trend of online learning, your knowledge skills can become your valuable asset. But remember, it's a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and most importantly, education. Educate yourself about different options, understand their pros and cons, set realistic goals depending upon your financial situation and risk tolerance. Start small, learn from your mistakes, and gradually build that passive stream. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with friends who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on passive income, business, and investing.